I am going to be putting a little bit of oil in there. You can use any oil of your choice, but don't put a lot. I'm only going to put just a little tiny bit. This one is olive oil. It's very light. Then I'm going to go over the hair. Can you see how the hair is looking already? You're going for middle parting. So this one is 13 by 4 frontal. You can see 20-inch and two 18-inch. I want the hair to be as flat as possible, and I'm going to tie the bit that I don't need right now. This is the tongue we are using, and it's a hair therapy, and it's called a Nikki Clark. This is actually quite good. Then press it really firmly from the root all the way to the end. Keep pressing it. Not go over a couple of times to ensure that it's getting really flat. Again, press it down, don't let go. And I'm going to do it one more time. So I go over about 4 or 5 times. Like I said, we're going for really sleek, straight hair. Right, already can you see? And then we're going to section it. Some flyaways, so I'm going to use this Cantu. I know it says curling cream on there, but I use it for my straight hair as well. It's actually quite good for the straight hair as well. It helps the flyaways lie down. So I'm going to put a little bit of mousse on this bit that's raised up. I always use the Tresemme mousse. I want it to lie down even flatter, so I'm going to go in with my hot comb and just comb it, and that will flatten it even more. Can you see the difference? Yeah, and now I'm going to go over with the iron. This is what I do if I want the top to be even flatter. Do not try this at home, it's very dangerous, because one day I burnt my forehead. So that helps it lie even flatter. Can you see? Can you see the difference? My hair quite flat and silky looking. This is how it's looking at the moment. It is just gorgeous. Okay, that's the side. I plucked it slightly and I'm going to rotate it so you can see the back as well. It's very flat at the top. I'm going to tilt it a bit for you guys to see. Can you see the top? It's nice and flat at the top.